I've got a couple of questions here involved with interfacing. The first one is this client would like to hear more about the interface between e-commerce platforms like WooCommerce and fulfillment services, and how does that interface work?
So each one of those interfaces is kind of its own specialized thing, especially in the world of EDI. So backing up from there, whenever you're selling your inventory through those different channels, those connections cost, and they come with a cost based on the number of transactions that go back and forth between intermediaries. And what I mean by intermediaries is your warehouse management system and that software. So that transaction back and forth between the two has a cost associated with it. So traditionally, when you're looking at making those connections and selling through those channels, one of the first things you need to ask, especially if you're doing a startup, is what is my daily volume of orders? So what I generally tell people, if your daily volume of orders through that channel is less than about 200, all of those services offer you another way to get your orders off of that. And generally they have some sort of an order downloader that you can utilize. And what this allows for is it allows for the orders to be pulled from the system via a kind of Excel-based download, whether that's a CSV or whether that is a XLS spreadsheet. And then any warehouse management system allows for the upload of orders into the warehouse management system based on that transmission. After you get over the 200 order a day mark, generally that is in excess of what a CSR can process from a order standpoint directly, with having to do uploads, order entering, and all of that. And then it comes time to offer a customized either EDI or API solution to directly make that connection. So those connections for each one of those websites looks different. Each one of them has their own requirements around, this is the structuring that we want to see our information pulled out under, and this is the information we require back and in this kind of format. So Scarborough has the ability to look over what those standards are, because they're a lot like vendor compliance. They require certain things at certain times and certain intervals in a certain structure. And it just requires reviewing those structures and customizing and building that solution to meet the needs, to make that connection as smooth and seamless as possible.
Excellent. Now, what if I don't want to use EDI or API? Can I just email you my orders that I get for the day?
Absolutely, you can. And usually when you're emailing the orders, that allows you to go directly to the website and download those. So Scarborough offers even customized solutions to that end. We have clients that email orders directly and go in and do their own work and from those vendor and retail channels and download the orders and send them out to us. And we have other customers that allow us to have a login for their websites, and we go in and do all of the PO management directly on the website, everything from downloading the orders to uploading the tracking and choosing the shipping methods and channels that the order goes through. So that's just another possible avenue based on our relationship with the customer and whatever their expectations are, that Scarborough can offer a customized solution for.